Well, hello there, YouTubers. This is Anthony with Home Guitar Mods, and today I would like to talk to you about guitar shielding. Now, what I've done, first off, shielding. Why shield your guitar, and what do I mean? What I mean by shielding is to wrap the inside electronic compartments of your guitar with metal foil, preferably copper foil. You can find this at stuartmcdonald.com. You can buy a 3-roll separate roll pack for about $18. What I used was a metal repair tape. I got it at Ace Hardware. It was $4. Here, I'll grab it. It's just this stuff, roll of tape. It's metal foil with an adhesive. It has a backing that you peel off. It's $4. It was called metal repair tape. Anyway, for those of you who use single coils, maybe you've heard buzz, or even humbuckers that will do this also, buzz from lighting from outside electrical components other than your own pedals. So what you do is you wrap the inside of your, tape the inside of your electronic compartments, and ground them to help eliminate that buzz. So what I have here, and what I've done this on is my, and I can't believe I'm going to say this, my Squier, which I never said I'd buy, but my Squier Telecaster. It's an Infinity Series Tele. Right there, Infinity Series. It's not string through, but it is a nice older solid wood body. I guess my only complaints, I bought it simply because we were in a guitar store and the luthier there had set it up previously and they hung it up on the wall, and the thing plays like an American Tele. I mean, it plays like butter. Components are garbage, obviously, so I've replaced electronics. I have a GFS, which, those of you who are wondering, GFS pickups are awesome. Little Puncher, which is their equivalent to the Hot Rails. They have a hot wound pickup, and then they have the vintage. I bought the vintage one. It's the same winding as the Tele pickup, same output, and it sounds basically the same. And then I just 2 days ago put a Strat pickup in the neck because I think Tele pickups are just muddy, and I wanted a I like that Strat tone, so it's a regular just Fender Strat single coil pickup. So what I have done, what you want to do is wrap the cavities in foil, and I've done this with my electric compartment here, as you can see, around the single coil, in my pickup cavity there, the humbucker. I wasn't going to do it because there's no hum, but I figured, what the heck. And then also on the pickguard there, on the back side. Tape, and you just cut the hole out. Now, it's okay and actually preferable that you leave a little overhang, so that way that comes in contact with the pickup. I left overhang on here, so that way it'll ground to this plate, and then to the ground wire into electronics, and then the one electronics plate, there's some overhang, so it'll ground to the plate here. Now this one I actually soldered a wire to the tape, and there's a wire running through there, the body grounding the volume pot. So that way the tape in all 3 cavities is grounded. That is the #1 key. You want to make sure if you can, make sure it's contacting your plate to your volume pot or some metal component so that it will ground properly. If you just throw tape in there, it might help keep some buzz out, but grounding it is really where you're going to get the most out of it. So I soldered another black wire, you're not going to be able to tell, but on the back side there, running through the cavity to underneath the pickup, and it's just soldered on the bottom. Now, I saw a video where he went farther to even solder on a Tele pickup the casing. He ran a wire from there to the foil tape on the inside to help. I tried soldering on the pull pieces. I just couldn't get a solder connection. If you can, more power to you. I couldn't get it to stick. And I think by wrapping it and grounding it all, just the tape itself, I think should be plenty good enough. This should help eliminate any noise. If you're having buzz issues with exterior lighting, fluorescence, stage lights, can lights, especially can lights, oh my gosh. I wish I could just put LED cam lights on every stage in the world. It would A, reduce heat, and B, get rid of buzz. It would just make the world a better place. Unfortunately, they're expensive and expensive. So for this, I would suggest get the if you want to use the copper. I'm using the just regular metal. I don't know what the difference is. Maybe a more experienced person would. This is my first job doing this. So have at it. The tape at Ace Hardware is about $4 for a small roll, which will be more than all you will need unless you're doing multiple guitars. This should help to eliminate some buzz. I'm going to post a video on here. I didn't have much buzz anyway with the single coil, but we'll see if it reduced quite a bit out of my Metal Muff and higher gain electronics. The bigger test will be when I gig this next coming Friday night and Sunday, and I will post a video letting you know just how well this worked. Especially for Sunday night, we used oh my gosh, my setup is just ridiculous as far as my live setup, big amps and pedals and stuff plugged in everywhere. So I'll post a video letting you know just how well it worked or didn't work, so you'll know before you try this. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it helped you out. Yeah, have at it and enjoy. Alright, thanks. Bye.